mình làm thì mà chả có thời gian làm.
Hello.
Hello.
This is our homework.
This is our homework.
There is such a nice man named Tung Sơn. But strangely, he's still alone. With 40 years of age. He's a reliable and hardworking individual. He always completes his work in a timely and accurate manner. Because of his friendly manner and cooperative spirit. He's a brother to work with. I always feel curious about him. So one day, I talked to him. Hey son, do you want to go to hotel with me? Hotel? You think I'm a toy? Oh no! I just want to talk to you in the hotel. No, I feel very tired. Hey, do you know? You are the apple of my eyes. And many girls really wanna become your girlfriend. Why are you still alone? Is there anything the matter? I can help you. Sure. But that's fine. Be strong. But I'm gay.